Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Dash Cam is probably one of the most essential pieces of automotive technology you can install in your vehicle today, offering unparalleled peace of mind and a crucial layer of protection for every drive. This dual-channel system, capturing both the road ahead and behind in crisp high definition, acts as your vigilant eyewitness, ready to record any incident, from minor fender benders to more serious events, ensuring that you have clear, irrefutable evidence when you need it most. It's an investment in your safety and security on the road. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Capture every detail with stunning 4K Ultra HD recording. Its superior clarity and advanced night vision technology ensure clear footage, even in low light conditions. Instantly connect to your smartphone with built-in Wi-Fi 6. View, download, and share your recordings effortlessly through the dedicated app. Never lose your way with accurate built-in GPS. Track your routes on Google Maps and enjoy hassle-free over-the-air firmware updates. This device is packed with state-of-the-art features, including a supercapacitor, wide-angle lens, parking mode, and G-sensor for comprehensive protection. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support. We're here to assist you with any questions or issues. What we like. If you demand the absolute best in video clarity, this is the one. Its 4K recording captures every detail, ensuring you have the most comprehensive footage. The built-in Wi-Fi 6 allows for rapid transfer of these high-resolution files, and integrated GPS accurately logs your location and speed. Choose this if you prioritize top-tier image quality and robust data logging for your recordings. What people say. This camera is clear and it is easy to use once you get to know what each button does. The video provided is at default settings, so I haven't even set it to 4K yet and it is this clear. I like the fact that it was easy to do and it now turns off the minute that the vehicle is turned off. Number 4. REDTIGER F7NP 4K Dash Cam. Experience crystal clear footage with our advanced dash cam. It captures every detail in stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, ensuring you have reliable evidence day or night. Equipped with the latest Starvis 2 sensor and a large aperture, this device delivers exceptional clarity in any lighting condition. Its WDR and HDR technology ensures sharp night vision and balanced exposure, providing enhanced safety for every drive. Connect effortlessly to your smartphone with its built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for ultra-fast downloads. The companion app allows you to preview, download, and manage your recordings, including GPS data, with ease. Never miss a moment with seamless loop recording that automatically overwrites older files. A complimentary memory card is included, so you have ample storage for all your 4K recordings right out of the box. Enjoy peace of mind with round-the-clock protection. It offers continuous monitoring with time-lapse recording and automatically saves crucial footage when a collision is detected, even while parked. Built with a high-reliability supercapacitor, this device offers safer performance and a longer lifespan, even in hot climates. It's backed by an 18-month worry-free warranty for your complete satisfaction. What we like. For those who need reliable evidence in all lighting conditions, this dash cam is a strong contender. The advanced Starvis 2 sensor and WDR technology ensure crystal clear footage, day or night. It also comes with a free memory card, so you can start using it right away, and its fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi makes reviewing and sharing footage a breeze. Consider this if you're looking for excellent night vision and the convenience of an included card. What people say. The front camera is very clear and the rear camera is also clear, even at night. Easy to install and set up, the touchscreen is responsive and intuitive. The wide-angle lens captures a broad view of the road, providing excellent situational awareness. Number 3. WOLFBOX G840S12 4K Mirror Dash Cam. See the road like never before with upgraded 4K UHD clarity on the front camera and a 1080p rear camera. The expansive 12-inch display offers a significantly wider view, drastically reducing blind spots for your safety. Stay connected with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and real-time GPS tracking. Easily view, playback, and share recordings directly from your smartphone using our dedicated app. Enjoy an expanded field of view with 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lenses. The smart split screen function lets you monitor both simultaneously, while the curved screen blends perfectly into your car. Drive confidently day or night. Advanced technology reduces reflections and balances lighting, ensuring clear images even in challenging conditions with its professional-grade sensor and 6-glass lens. Keep an eye on your vehicle even when parked. The time-lapse mode conserves power and storage while providing continuous surveillance, ensuring your car is always protected. We stand by our product with attentive customer service and a 12-month guarantee. Please use only original accessories for optimal performance and coverage. What we like. If you're looking for a seamless integration into your car's interior and an expanded view, this mirror dash cam is ideal. Its large 12-inch screen significantly reduces blind spots, acting as both a rear-view mirror and a powerful recording device. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS tracking add essential functionality. This is perfect for drivers who want enhanced safety and a less intrusive dash cam setup. What people say. The quality of the video and ease of use is pretty darn good. I love the functionality of it. I love the very high-definition front camera, shooting at 4K, you can tell the exact make and model car, you can read the license plate. Even at low light night driving. Excellent video playback, clear and visible, not grainy at all. Really easy to use. Has a few different settings. For my child I put on the speed alerts, that kept them aware, especially since a lot of the roads are average speed near us. Number 2. REDTIGER F7N 4K Dual Dash Cam. Experience crystal clear footage with our advanced dual dash cam. The front camera records in stunning 4K, while the rear captures 1080p, ensuring every detail, from street signs to license plates, is recorded with exceptional clarity. Its wide-angle lens also minimizes blind spots, providing an extended view of the road. Transfer your videos in seconds with our 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, boasting speeds up to 20 MB/s. Connect to the REDTIGER Cam app on your smartphone to instantly access footage, track your GPS routes, and receive over-the-air updates. It's a smart system designed for quick sharing and easy control. Don't let darkness compromise your safety. Equipped with a high-spec StarVis sensor, f1.5 aperture, and WDR HDR technology, it delivers exceptionally clear images even in low-light conditions or at night. This dash cam is packed with premium features for your safety and convenience. It embeds real-time speed, location, and direction into your videos, includes a G-sensor for impact detection, driver fatigue alerts, and an emergency video lock. Plus, its supercapacitor ensures reliable operation in extreme temperatures. Enjoy peace of mind with 24-hour parking monitoring that detects motion even when your vehicle is off. Built with a supercapacitor for extreme temperature resistance, it's a dependable companion on the road. We also offer 24-hour customer service and an 18-month warranty. What we like. This dash cam is built for drivers who frequently navigate in low-light conditions or at night. Its superior night vision, powered by a StarVis sensor, f1.5 aperture, and WDR HDR technology, ensures you capture clear details even in the dark. With precise GPS for trip auditing and an included 64 GB card, it offers a complete and reliable solution. Choose this if exceptional night performance and included storage are your top priorities. What people say. REDTIGER dashcam shows very clear images, has Bluetooth and GPS capability, and a parking mode if hardwired. Installation is on the right side of the rear view mirror, and that actually is good since you don't want to be gawking at the camera and not at the road. Great field of view, clarity, and smoothness. If I wanted to take a photo or save the video, it was just press of a button on the phone. I was very impressed. Number 1. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K Dashcam. Experience your drive in breathtaking 4K UHD with our advanced dashcam. Its StarVis 2 sensor and wide-angle lenses capture every detail, while enhanced night vision ensures clear recordings even in low light. Manage your camera hands-free with simple voice commands, or use the intuitive touchscreen. Lock emergency videos, activate Wi-Fi, or capture scenery with just a tap. Connect wirelessly to your smartphone via 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for rapid 20 MB/s downloads. Share your driving experiences instantly with friends or insurance providers. The built-in GPS accurately records your location, speed, and route, providing essential data for any journey. Never miss a moment with seamless loop recording, even when the 128 GB card is full. The G sensor automatically protects crucial footage from being overwritten in case of sudden impacts. Our parking monitoring features provide round-the-clock security, automatically recording any collisions or motion when your car is parked. Time-lapse mode offers a condensed overview of parking events. Installation is a breeze with the included suction cup and tools. Drive with confidence, backed by our 18-month guarantee and dedicated 24/7 customer support. What we like. For the tech-savvy driver who values convenience and safety, this dash cam offers a unique combination of features. Voice control allows for hands-free operation, minimizing distractions, while the intuitive touchscreen provides easy access to settings and recordings. Coupled with the excellent Starvis 2 sensor for clear footage and fast Wi-Fi, it's a modern solution for everyday driving. If you appreciate smart, user-friendly technology, this is the one for you. What people say. 4K all around, and the player you get from the website even has a zoom feature. The suction cup mount is strong, and I really like the touch screen. It makes operation simple and intuitive. Video quality is great, night times and day times. Screen is large and clear enough to view the status of the recording, but camera is not bulky, fits perfectly. Design is nice and compact, very easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.